That is a jackfruit. Yes. Langka. What is that? Langka?
Open.
Open. Open. You want to eat? Here, open. Oh.
Open. Oh. Open. 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 Oh.
Wow.
Open. Open. Oh.
Okay.
Open. Open. Oh.
Ay. You want to try?
No. Open.
Yummy. Yummy.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Oh.
Kain po tayo ng langka. May nabili po ako kanina. Ay, kahapon pala. Kanina? Kahapon ko nabili. Ayan, langka. So, kasi nasa US po tayo, talagang ma-presyo ang langka dito. Pero, sulit naman, di ba? Ayan. Tikman natin kung matamis. Masarap nga. Tamis. Yummy.
Mommy!
Yeah.
Mommy!
Okay na.
Mom!
Ay, ang tamis. Gusto ko kasi nga, hindi siya yung parang malata. Ay, crunchy pa siya. Tamang-tama lang yung hinog niya.
Looks like forsythia. Is that forsythia? No, that's something else.
Orchids?
Orchid. Okay.
Yeah, you're right, honey. Orchids, spa. What's it called? What you said?
Forsythia?
Spaman, spastic, yeah?
Let me see.
SPA. We call that dancing lady in the Philippines.
Oh. Okay.
And Mama have lots of that, my goodness. In the whole wall. And we have that. This is Anthurium. This is the one expensive. Yeah, Anthurium. Oh, they have orchids. And Mamang have like this also, like a, yeah. And we have that bell also there over the, like that. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, we have a, I think, white.
Oh.
Yeah. See? I know this is a color, a pink or red. Yeah.
Funny looking.
Yeah. There's a flowers in that. I don't know why.